Guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about data protection law in India. Our today's quotation is, "A man is but the product of his thoughts. What he thinks he became. So always think positive and happy." Our one-liner questions are, in India, have how many million internet users and expected to increase how many million up to 2025? Right to privacy is a fundamental right under which article? India have Information Technology Act in which year? Introduced in which year? B.N. Sri Krishna Committee set up by which ministry? Personal Data Protection Bill introduced in Parliament in which year? Current scenario. Why we are discussing this question? Recently, MobiKwik lose 9.9 crore users' data, and previously the data of Facebook, 533 million accounts leaked. Most of them are Indian accounts. Then WhatsApp privacy policy change for only India. This can be a discrimination for us. A data protection law is needed more than ever in recent time. Do you agree? We have to give our consent. If we don't act, you can use this quotation, if we don't act now to safeguard our privacy, we could all become the victims of identity theft, said by Bill Nelson. Our introduction would be, data protection law is need of the hour because we are living in the era of digitalization, where we do online payments, education, online shopping, virtual meetings, summits, work from home, and consultation with doctors, which is increased during pandemic. Spend so many time on social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, which makes us more vulnerable. Our concerns would be privacy breach and no legal protection, then data localization, then discrimination like WhatsApp privacy policy, data use without consent, lack of cyber security mechanism, then need for data protection law. India have 624 million internet users and expected to increase up to 974 million up to 2025. India has second highest internet users base in the world, therefore strong data protection law needed to protect our fundamental right to privacy, said in K.S. Puttaswamy case in 2017, for efficient management of data, to stop misuse of data, to prevent cybercrime by building strong mechanism, to improve business process and securing digital transactions, to maintain balance between digital economy and privacy protection. Our way forward would be, government need to make strong data protection law because existing Information Technology Act IT Act 2000 and regulations are not enough to protect our data. India has more than 1 million Aadhaar users which carry all the sensitive information about individual and linked with bank accounts and other documents need data protection law. Need to focus on data localization, provide latest technology and training to the police personnel and cyber experts to protect data like US, Germany have. Implement B.N. Sri Krishna Committee and Joint Parliamentary Committee recommendations to clarify vagueness of Personal Data Protection Bill introduced in 2019. Need capacity building and cyber literacy programs like Youth Dividend of India need to take that charge. Spread awareness. We can use media and films like The Return of Abhimanyu and Key to provide more information about data protection. Need secure supply chain. We can follow European Union data protection law. In the world, European Union has the best data protection law and mechanism. Our conclusion would be, India need data protection law to address all these issues, and with that we have potential to be self-reliant in the field of cybersecurity, like we can use our brilliant IIT, IIIT, NIT, talent, graduates and scientists to make digital India to prevent data breach and protect our personal data. Our one-liner questions are, India have 624 million internet users and expected to increase up to 974 million up to 2025. Right to privacy is a fundamental right under Article 21, which is right to life. India have Information Technology Act 2000, B.N. Sri Krishna Committee set up by Ministry of Law and Justice. Personal Data Protection Bill 2019 introduced in Parliament to protect personal data of individual. Today is a special day. Do you know about it? If no, then mention in comment section. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide